What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay. If you don't say the day, then you ain't part of the game, man. On for now. So check it, man. I got another video for y'all, man. And today it's another unboxing.
Another one.
So check it. I told y'all I was gonna be dropping them bangers, man. I'm trying my best to get them out. Mouth a little dry. Yeah. So yeah, we got another unboxing of another firearm here, man. Go ahead and drop y'all guesses right now, just off of the case. Look, go ahead and drop y'all suggestions inside of the comments right now. Go ahead. Who got it right? Let me see who got it right. Who got it right? Who got it right? But yeah. So check it, man. Today we got y'all probably got it right because of the title, man. Y'all cheating. Y'all cheating. Y'all think y'all slick. Y'all cheating, bro. But don't. It's cool. It's all good in the hood. Cheating, nigga. But yeah. So without further ado, we got another unboxing, and today's unboxing is none other than who? Oh, you see what that thing say? You see what that thing say? Yeah. Kriss. Something that's made by Kriss. And what's the most popular thing made by Kriss? Get y'all love you. The most popular thing made by Kriss. Scoop some of this out the way. Beep boop boop. Bop bop beep bop beep. We open that thing up. Yeah, still got the CZ Scorpion over there, man. Yeah, man. Look at that thing. We got an FDE Kriss Vector. Oh, y'all be saying they don't look like FDE. Man, them FDE, they got their own version. Somebody said they don't look like FDE, and in the Facebook group chat, man, that's FDE. Probably the lighting was a little bad or something, I don't know, but that's FDE, man. Check it. Yeah. I got FDE right here. Kriss Vector, man. Kriss Vector, brand new, man. Kill the tag off of that. Kriss Vector. So what you get in the box? You get the Kriss Vector cleaning kit. I already opened the thing. It had this inside the barrel, which, you know, keeping it so it don't be fired. Got the lock, some cleaning towel, force snake to go down the barrel, and cleaning brush. That's the usual see. This is chambered at 9mm. Yeah, because I like that round, you know. I like all rounds, but I like 9mm more. Because that's the round I shoot most. And you know, I knew I was going to get to shoot this gun a lot. But I'm also investing in the lower, which is a 10mm, where this gun will shine. If you guys don't know, Kriss Vector, it's called a Kriss Vector because it vectors and revectors the recoil down so you don't feel the recoil. So it's a weight in here that when you shoot it, the bolt goes back and travels down this way. It doesn't go back. It's not a direct blow back. So yeah, it's a Kriss Vector, so it re-vectors the recoil down, and it keeps the barrel on target more.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Or, you know, you keep the firearm on target easily, and you feel less. You probably can feel the weight jerking down more than you feel the shot of the round. I already shot this firearm here. This is the SDP, I think. The SDP or SD, I think it's called the SDP. I forgot the name of it. But yeah, the version I got came with a 17 round magazine, and I did pick up two 29 round magazines, and then I also didn't come with the buffer tube or the brace. I actually put this on here myself, and I just took off the swing attachment that comes on the back of it, and I just screwed a regular buffer tube inside of there. I'll show you guys how to do that later in a later video. But yeah, it comes with the stock CZ sights. I said CZ stock Kriss Vector sights. Boom, just flip out. Kriss got their own sight. They look like Magpul sights, but you know they flip up. I got the Holocene on here. I took it off the CZ because CZ, I just like the stock sights for now on the CZ. And I put it on here. I haven't sighted it in yet. I just switched it just for the fun of this video, honestly. And then the CZ here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna grab something newer. A better sight for that better fits that one. But yeah, the Kriss Vector chamber 9mm. Cool. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that thing up like the box. Leave all that in there. Put that thing up the box. Show you guys if this thing is clear. Put that box up. Got some more footage of that. Got the SB84 brace from there. Safety selector is ambidextrous, so you can the safeties on both sides. This is the bolt release and the bolt catch. It is only on the left side of the gun, and the charger handle is only on the left side of the gun. Comes with a 30 barrel. There's no mag inside of there. Actually took the. Alright, back up top for the YouTube police. Show you that the firearm is clear, and I'm gonna lock the bolt back. The bolt is locked back. Boom. There's nothing inside of the firearm. Hold on, make sure you guys can see. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Then I'm gonna close that bolt. Yeah. Kriss Vector chamber to 9mm. I got a later video coming down the line where I'm gonna compare the Kriss Vector to none other than CZ Scorpion. Battle of the carbines, the pistol paddleable carbines. Yeah, Kriss Vector. I shot this gun right now. Right now, this Kriss Vector is my favorite gun in my collection right now, man. One of my favorite guns, man. It shoots so smooth. It's very, very accurate. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it, man. I got another video coming probably after this video. It's just a simple buffer tube on here right now, but I'm going to get the Kriss Vector folding stock adapter, so that way I could be able to fold this into a smaller compact package, and I can use this as my backpack gun, you know, or my trunk gun. But yeah, Kriss Vector chamber to 9mm. I chose FDE, as you guys can see. I like the FDE colorway. You know, some guys might like their guns black. I like my FDE. If I'm spending the money on it, I might get what I like. Just not but about what you like or what might be practical. But I want my guns to somewhat match my loadout. And I like the FDE colorway. It's out of the ordinary, you know. Everybody have black guns. A lot of people have FDE guns. But to me, it's out of the ordinary. So, yeah. Kriss Vector chamber 9mm. This gun shines more in the 40, 45, or 10mm caliber because it was actually made for 45. It's 45, yeah, made it for 45. And this is also originally made as a fully automatic SBR. You know, it was something that was made to replace the MP5 a long time ago. But yeah, this is one of the fastest shooting guns when it is full auto. Down the line, I'm thinking about SBR in this gun. I love this gun so much. I want to put a vertical foregrip on here. So I'm an SBR. They throw a little stock on here. How to fold a real folding stock instead of a folding brace. Also, you know, I want a 40 grip so I can actually have my hand up here somewhere other than here, because when you have your hand here, you tend to have a tendency to lock the gun, lock the bolt back sometimes, or even hit the mag release without trying. If I don't form one no time soon, I might get an angle foregrip or some type of angle foregrip to go in the front that you can run on pistols, or pistol caliber carbines or AR carbines, some type of angle foregrip. That way I don't have the AD, but that way I don't have the ATL boy knocking at my door. So yeah, I just try to stay under the radar, man. Yeah, about the laws. Again, all my firearms are legal and are purchased legal. So good. But yeah, Kriss Vector. I'll throw some shooting footage inside this video. Show you a couple of groupings that I've done with this firearm. I had this firearm for about, I'll say, I had it for about a month or two. But yeah, Kriss Vector, man. I'm loving this thing, man. It's so out of the ordinary, and not your everyday person owns a Kriss Vector, man. A lot of people don't own it. So I aim to own a lot of stuff that people don't own. Try to be different, and also have the experience. I'm kind of out of the ordinary guy, So yeah, Kriss Vector chamber 9mm. I got my 9mm. You're gonna hit this. When you come in, you're gonna hit this. When you come in. Yeah, I saw that video, man. But yeah, Kriss Vector. But yeah, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all know I'm gonna keep coming back with bangers, man. And bangers and more bangers. You feel me? And more bangers. You get me? But yeah, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have a Kriss Vector. If you guys want the Kriss Vector. Kriss Vector was always one of my dream guns because I see it on Call of Duty all the time, man. Everybody want a Call of Duty loadout. You feel me? But yeah, Kriss Vector. Go ahead. Follow me on Facebook, YouTube, all that. I'm all up in the little Facebook groups and everything. So, yeah, man. The Kriss Vector. Yeah. I guess I'll give y'all other reviews on the guns after I fire 1,000 round review or 2,000, 5,000 round review. You feel me? You never know. It might be 1,000 round because the price of ammo is getting ridiculous. But luckily that I'm fortunate enough to still go out and purchase bullets at a ridiculous amount of price and shoot and bring you guys this footage. And I wouldn't be here without the help of you guys. So yeah. Kriss Vector, chamber 9mm. And yeah, we out.